Alright folks, got a 2015 Nissan Roque, changing the cabin air filter. Using this one from AutoZone, STP CAF1941P. It's found underneath the glove box in front of the console here. So this panel here, you just lift it up, stick your finger underneath anywhere, and it's just a bunch of clips that pop out. Okay? Put that off to the side. Your filter is found all the way down in the bottom here, people. It's that long rectangular piece right there. Okay, so if you can grab it by that little tang over there. Let me see what we can do here. It comes out from the bottom too. So you can grab it from the bottom here and pull it out with this tab. I don't know what the tab is for, but yeah, that's kind of weird. No, the tab is for something else. So grab it from the bottom. This little L piece will come out. You can see there's some dirt in there. So we know that filter's not going to come out clean. Just gotta reach in there and grab it. It's gonna be crunched because that's the way they install these things, and that's the way the new one's gonna get installed too. They gotta force it in there. Whew. So it's almost like almost goes up like that. That's the way this one is. All right, just hold it in the position that it came out of, because that's where it's going to go back in. All right, so there's a Nissan filter. It says the airflow is to the left. Okay, that explains with the dirt. Okay, the airflow goes this way, gets caught by the filter, and it comes out this way into your cabin. All right, so just remember, the way it is, the way it's oriented, that's the way we're gonna squeeze it in. All right, so like I said, you might have to crush this a little bit and just shove it in there, because that's the way it is. Kind of weird. What a weird design. Sorry, Nissan, but that's just a bad spot. Very bad spot. All right, so we're gonna shove it in there. Make sure there's nothing in there. Just covers up that little hole there, that's all, that little square there. All right, let's do it. Let's get a filter. Man, what a bad design to get in there. I'll tell you. Just squeeze it together, force it in there, and it fits nicely. See that? All right. I'm going to take this little L. I'm going to stick that back in there. The little clip is on the bottom over here. So let's see if we can go figure this out. Hard to tell blindly, you know. I'm gonna have to put you down and figure this out. All right, it goes in one way. That little round piece here goes on this round piece up here on my thumb. That goes up. Just gotta shove it up in there like an L, and actually push up the filter a little bit, and then it'll snap in. There you go. All right. And now to put this other panel back in. This little panel here. Got a couple little clips. These three will line up on these three, and this one here will line up with that little hole there. All right, so that's it. There is your cabin filter change on a Nissan Rogue 2015. There you go. All right, and that's it. All done. Thanks for watching, folks.